Good morning, blocks 3 and 4. Today, you guys have a few things to do. I have to be out. I have a family obligation that I'm taking care of. So you are going to listen to the read aloud, the next few chapters of Blended, as we get into the characters and experience those. You are also going to submit your progress tracking form from your independent reading and your creative writing journal. It's a form that you have to fill out, and if there's any problem at all, just share the form with me in my email and make sure that you give me access to it. Share it with me and it should give me access to it. After that, there's going to be another video for you to watch that talks about what you're going to do in the next step for the persuasive paragraph. And that is something that you're going to wrap up and turn in. It will be assigned in Google Classroom. And after that, if you finish on time, then you're just going to read and you're going to track your progress again. We'll keep doing that through the 16th of February, which is a Tuesday, and then you will turn it in. All right. Again, I hope you guys have a great day. You can work through this on your own at your own speed, but please get it done by tomorrow because we will be continuing on with persuasion tomorrow. All right. Take care.